Hello students, today we will be discussing an important part of grammar. We have discussed a lot of literature till now. Let us come to the grammar part. And before telling you the topic what we are going to discuss, I am giving you one exercise. Let us solve this exercise. Read the passage and fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Like the title has been announced here. So let us start the exercise. There is a paragraph and I have left some blanks over here which we are going to start. With the help of you people only I am going to solve this. Let us start reading. Once upon, what we are going to fill here? We are going to fill a and the, right? So once upon a time, in a house of a rich family lived a family of rats. The eldest and the wisest member of the family was Grandpa Rat. They were total 7 in number. The rich man's family got sick of the rat family and wanted to get rid of them. So they bought an enormous cat. So children, in this exercise, these words which I have just used, these are articles, right? Article means a and the. Now let us discuss what these articles are. Coming to this page, article a and the we are going to discuss. Children, article a and, these two are definite articles and the is indefinite articles. I will explain this through a sheet here which I have made for you. Look at this sheet. A and as I have told you, these are indefinite articles. Indefinite articles means they are not talking about specific noun. No specific noun. No specific noun is talked about by using a and and. And when we are using the, it means we are talking about a noun which is specific, or you can say it is a definite article, right? Like, for example, a boy. It can be any boy. A pencil. It can be any pencil, no specific pencil. An urn. Any urn. An ink pot. Any ink. Any ink pot. So, we have used these articles as indefinite articles, right? Now see the difference. When we use the with all these, its meaning changes. Like the boy, here I have written a boy, I am using it the boy. Which boy? Who stood first is my brother. Specific ho gaya, this is specific. The boy who stood first. So this is particular, that boy. The pencil I bought yesterday. Which pencil? Which I bought yesterday is stolen. The urn with golden carving. Which urn? Specific, that urn which has golden carving. Looks beautiful. The ink pot. Which ink pot? You gifted me. It is also a specific one. So here we have talked about use of a and the. It means we are talking about non-specific nouns, and here we are talking about specific noun. Now coming to the more understanding of this article, and where an is used. Children, there are 26 alphabets in English language. 26 alphabet A to Z. These are 26 alphabets, and an article is used with vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Children, don't confuse this thing that I'm telling you. Here these vowels produce vowel sound. What is vowel sound? You must have read swar in Hindi, and these swar are a, e, u, a, o. These are vowel sounds. Vowel sounds similar. This A produce this sound. A. E. A. This is also a elephant. A sound. I. A sound. This is. So it all depends on vowel sound. Don't confuse with vowel alphabets. It is always vowel sound. Here some examples of A article, a bag, a dog, a gun, a pan, a cock. See children, I have written all the consonants here. All 21 consonants I have written here, and with consonant sounds we always use a with them. Here are some more examples of A and an. Let us analyze what is it. I ate dash burger for lunch. When we pronounce burger, b sound comes out of our mouth. We ate a burger. He boiled egg. What sound comes out of our mouth? This sound comes. An egg for dinner. Einstein wrote dash open letter to the world. O sound, this is O sound, O. So, an open letter to the world. Their car met with dash accident. Again, a sound is there. An accident. My uncle is dash honest man. Children, about this word there is great confusion. Here in this word, H is silent. H is not spoken. The word is pronounced as honest. Honest. So the sound is O. An honest man. Father gave me 1 rupee coin. जब हम 1 बोलते हैं 1, what comes out of our mouth? W. is a consonant sound. Although O is a vowel, but it produces here the sound W. So, a 1 rupee coin. See the contradiction. This word starts with H. H is a consonant, but it takes N with it. And 1 starts with O, which is a vowel, but it takes A with it. So, don't get confused in this. We are focusing on sound of vowel. It took me dash R. This word is pronounced as R. Here also H is silent. It took me an R and a, how we pronounce this word? Half. Half. So here a half, because H is pronounced properly. John is dash university player. The word university starts with U, which is a vowel. But what sound it produces? It produces sound of U. Year. It means Y sound is produced by this word university. And Y is a consonant. Year is a consonant. Vyanjan hai ye Hindi mein. So John is a university player. I saw dash one-eyed beggar. Again one word sound, a one-eyed beggar. My uncle is dash MLA. Children, see how we pronounce M. When we speak M, what sound comes out of our mouth first? M. A sound comes first. M. Then it becomes M. So my uncle is an MLA. A sound comes first. M. We don't say M. We are saying here M. M. A sound comes first. So we will be using an with it. Children, use of the I will be explaining in my next video. So for a and an, this much is enough. For the you will be watching another video.